am ready to find the bike of my dreams. Come on in, let's check out the all-new Hero Sprint store in Bengaluru to find my perfect match. There's a cycle inspired by all for the daily commute users, young riders, mountain biking enthusiasts, and the pro cyclists. I'm not gonna lie, these cycles are inspiring me to cycle more often. Bike experts here help me find Hero Sprint Revenge. It's perfect for me. It's got this superb safety feature of anti-skid pedals, has a comfy saddle, and got sturdy nylon tires for my weekend adventures. I'm a person who loves accessories, and here at the Hero Sprint store, you can choose from the safety-ready accessories to go with your ride. You know what? I'm gonna pair up with your outfit. This store is a one-stop shop destination for all your cycling needs. With the Hero Sprint promise, I get to have complimentary bike service, delivery, and insurance. That means unmatched services and unstoppable rides. It's time to go for a ride on my new Hero Sprint bike. I'm really excited. Oh, by the way, good news for you. Just like this amazing Hero Sprint showroom in Bengaluru, Hero Cycles intends to open more such experience stores across India. So stay tuned and remember, the real inspiration is you. Now, let's go for a ride.